Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be doing a tutorial of how to add Google Play balance on your bank account. So adding your Google Play balance to your bank account isn't possible, but here is another way for you to solve that. So right here, you generally cannot transfer your Google Play balance directly to your bank account. So of course, says here also there is no way to transfer your balance to your account, but I would suggest looking into this option. So on your Google Play app, you will see a payment button at the bottom. You must click on that button and that under the Google Play balance, click on cash out. Thereafter, enter the amount you want to transfer. After that, you must confirm the payment method and then finally click on transfer. In that way, you the problem isn't like directly solved, but you can cash out or um transfer the balance that you have on your Google Play.